So therefore, you see, like global warming, some natural disaster happen. You see, though no discrimination, this nation or that nation or this believer, not because of that believer, no discrimination. We all, something happen, we all suffer same. Something good things happen, everybody get benefit. So I think many problems which essentially our own created problem. All these problems not created by sort of attitude of oneness of humanity, not from that, but from I'm Asian, I'm Buddhist, I'm Christian, I'm non-believer. Make sort of differences. That is secondary level. Basically, we are all the same. Whether believer or non-believer, whether this nation, this nationality or that nationality, we all, so the way born, same. The way die, same. Day by day, sleep, same. Eating, same. Isn't it? Emotions also same. Hardly no basis making discrimination. So that's actually Bodhicitta used to teach that. All sentient beings want a happy life, want happiness. All sentient beings have every right to achieve that. So in any way, so since you see we are same, therefore my own sort of certain sort of experience through training, through awareness, maybe some use you also, because we are same, isn't it?